Oh, hey everybody, Andy Geschi here from Remax Solid Gold. So we did get, I'm about a day or so late. So if I'm sure you've got this content from somewhere else, but again, if you've been waiting for me to push this out, I apologize for the delay. It's just been somewhat of a busy week, but we did get the stats from June. And to be honest, it's a bit confusing. So again, looking at the infographic that I'm going to have displayed here on the screen, there's a few things that I want to point out. So again, there was 1,431 new listings that came on, which is again quite a bit. It's 10.6% more than the 10-year average. So we are continuing to see for like the third or fourth month in a row, continuing to see a lot of inventory phasing itself in. Only 674 listings sold, which is down 24.8% on the 10-year average. So we can see more listings than we normally would see and far fewer sales than we can normally see. So what that has actually done when we look at supply and demand factors is what I wanted to point out next, which is you're going to see here from the infographic. So every single category of homes has gone down in value. So year over year, detached homes, the average price for the month of June was 900,000. So that's down 10% year over year. Semis at 649 is down 6.7. Townhouses are down less than 1%, and apartment style condos are down 1.8%. So the average price we can see there on the infographic, 790,000. That's actually down 5.8% year over year. So the 790, like that's all styles. So it's not really all that surprising. Again, buyers are still not buying, it seems, despite the interest rate announcement early June, but we're seeing more and more inventory. So the listings that are selling, sellers are getting a little bit aggressive, it seems, with the pricing and then maybe some of the offers that they're willing to accept. But the confusing part for me as a realtor is what we were actually feeling in the field. And I have talked to other agents that kind of agree with what I'm about to say. So it's actually felt really busy and really good for the first time in a while, especially like the last 2, 3 weeks. I've opened more client files than I can remember opening in quite a while. So I think what we noticed early June is the start of something better than what we've been seeing. I think buyers and just consumers in general are starting to come out of the woodwork a little bit, and they're making decisions. More so on the buying side is what we really need to see the decisions, because obviously sellers have been deciding to sell, and that's why we're seeing the listings. But when we have the merging of the minds, and there's buyers that are out there that would like to buy, that are actually willing to buy, it'll be really interesting to see what the stats look like over the next few months, because again, it does feel better, in my professional opinion, when we're out there in the field. It feels better than what the stats indicate went down in June. But I think, again, it was just the start of buyers re-engaging the market, or at least considering re-engaging the market. It might still be a little while before they actually are fully off the fence, but I think brighter times are ahead. If you've got specific questions about your scenario, that's what I'm here for. Please just reach out. We can dial in specifically about what's most important to you. Again, Andy from Remax Solid Gold. Hope you're having a great day. And again, we'll talk to you soon.